Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. I am Anjali. The topic that we are going to discuss today is increment and decrement operators in Python. Now we'll start with increment operator. As the name says, increment is nothing but increasing the value. We can increment in Python using the plus assignment operator. This operator adds the value on the right hand side to the variable on the left hand side. It means it will increase the value towards the right hand side. In the basic syntax, we will see how this works. Variable plus is equals to value. It means to the right hand side, the value will be increased. Or you can also use variable is equals to variable plus value. Either of the ways we can use to increase a value or increment a value. Now I'll explain this using a simple example. Variable name is USA GDP. Its value is 23.32. And to the same variable, we are incrementing value by 4.65. It means this 23.32 will be incremented by 4.65 value, and we are printing USA GDP after increment. We are printing the same variable. Initially, variable was holding this value. Now it has been updated by adding 4.65 value. Now, if I run this code, I will get USA GDP after increment. To this value 23.32, 4.65 has been added and it returns the added value. The same variable, the value will be updated. This is with respect to numbers. Now I'll explain incrementing with respect to strings. Here variable name is USA and the string is United States. To that United States we are adding America. This is second syntax which I explained there. In the last example we used plus and assignment operator. Here we are using variable is equals to variable plus value. Now if I run this code USA, this is the sentence we have written inside print function, and in this variable now the updated string is United States plus America. So you can see here. This is with respect to string. Now we will see how to implement this in for loop. The variable name is total cars. Now the value is 0. We are taking x in the range of 10. For x in range of 10, it means x variable is holding the values from 0 to 10, and we are incrementing the total car variable plus 1. This is again the first syntax plus an assignment operator. We are incrementing these value by 1, and we are printing total number of cars passed through toll booth is, and we are printing the value. You can see we have limited the value till 10 and we have increased this. If we limit this value to 8, you can see you will get 8 as answer. You can also increment it by 2. Now you will get 16. When 8 is incremented by 1, you will get 8. When the same 8 is incremented by 2, each time it will be incremented by 2, double. So you are getting 16 as answer. I hope you understood how to increment the values of numbers, strings, and also with respect to for loop. Now we will see how to decrement a value using decrement operator. Similarly to decrement a variable in Python, we can use the subtraction assignment operator. There we have used plus and assignment. Here we are using minus, subtraction and assignment operator. This operator subtracts the value on the right hand side from the variable on the left hand side, as we saw above. Now we'll see the syntax. Variable subtract assignment value, or you can also use variable is equals to variable minus value. Now I'll explain an example to decrement numbers. Variable name is customers waiting and the value is 20. Now we are decrementing the value 20 by 1. We have taken same variable and we are decrementing. This is the first syntax, subtract and assignment operator. And we are printing dated number of customers waiting in the line is 19. As we are decrementing by 1, 20 minus 1. If we change that value to 2, it is 18. If you decrement it by 4, you will get 16. This is how decrement with respect to integers work. Now, I'll show you another example decrementing with respect to strings. This is the variable which contains the value of New York City To the same variable, we are decrementing the city and we are expecting the output to be just New York. And we are printing it here saying the NYC stands for. It is giving error. You can see here you are getting type error, unsupported operand type for subtract assignment str string. It means Python doesn't support the decrement operators with string. You will get type error whenever you are trying to decrement any string values in Python. It is not supported. Now I'll explain with respect to for. Item quantity is the variable which is containing the value of 10. For underscore in range of 5. Underscore is containing the value of 0 to 5. And we are decrementing this 10 by 1 and updated quantity for item in warehouse. And we are printing the variable. Now we will see what output it gives. The value it is giving is 5 because total value is 10 and inside for loop we are decrementing. So in this 10, 5 will be decremented once. So you are getting 5. In this 10, if we decrement 5 twice, we will get 0. You can see here we are getting 0. As we are writing decrement inside the for loop, these many times this value will be decremented from the main value. If we want to change this value to 20 and if we want to decrement 5 3 times from 20, we will get 5. It means 20 minus 15 3 times the 5. We are getting 5 as output. I hope you understood how to use decrement operator in Python. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.